In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get Fortnite Save the World Dark Voyager rewards. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is reach Planketon. Once you are in Planketon in Save the World, you want to complete the main quest and do missions to progress. So complete the quest, which is called the Dark Rises. Once in Planketon, you will get the quest. Complete all the 6 quests in the quest line in order, by the way. So these are the quests that you want to simply go ahead and complete. The final quest, which is called the Dark Voyager, as you can see, is going to be what you want to complete. Once you simply go ahead and complete it, you can claim your reward. So after completing the final quest, you will receive your reward automatically, which is going to be the Dark Voyager outfit. You can simply go ahead and change it from your collection. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.